Let me show you how TikTok looks on my phone right now, guys. As I entered and I have my balance open, you will see my coins balance increasing. Just like you can see right here, I'm getting tons of coins in TikTok. And if you want to get them as well, you need to make sure you follow each and every instructions. Trust me, guys, this is the only working method and it's super easy to complete. So let me show you how to do it. How about getting some free TikTok coins? Guys, you're in the right spot because in today's video, I will be showing you something that you thought you will never have. I will show you how to get some free TikTok coins, guys. The process and the method is super easy and it only takes a few simple steps to get this result on your TikTok app. You will be able to use up all of those TikTok coins and get them for free over and over again. So let me show you how I got them so you can get them on your TikTok apps as well. Let's begin. Okay, guys, let's start. The first thing that I always start with is checking if TikTok needs any updates. So I do that by going to my app store and then I type in the name of the app, which is TikTok. Then I search for it, and then if on the little side it says open like it does for me, you're good to go. And if it says update, you need to make sure you update your app to its latest version. If you guys are using an Android device, go to your Google Play Store and check if it needs any updates. And that's it. Update your app, then you're good to go. Let's begin by preparing our phones. For Android users, that includes just switching off your battery saver mode, guys, and making sure you have it switched off until we are done with the whole process. For iOS users, guys, that just includes going to your settings app, then going to general, background app refresh, then again background app refresh, and then making sure it is switched on for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now, if you guys are disabled on this page right here, what I want you to do is go back to your battery settings and switch off that low power mode option. Make sure you have it switched off until you're done with the whole process. Also, once you're done switching off your low power mode option, go back to your background app refresh one and make sure you have it switched on as we said previously. Now, let's go ahead and head over to our browser. And you are allowed to use any browser that you want to. I'm going to be using my Safari one. And let's go to this website you see on my screen. Now, there are tons of different apps on the website, but the one that we are looking for is the TikTok coins option. And once I do find it, I will tap on the get button. And then once I do, I will be redirected to this page right here, on which I need to tap on the start button to start the tool. Then select the platform you want to. I'm choosing the iOS one. Then I need to type in the username I'm using within TikTok. Then tap on continue. Then choose the amount of coins that I want to get, and then it will ask me to confirm what I just chose. Tap on continue once you're done with that. It will start connecting to your servers, then finding the record of your username, and then it will add in the value that you wanted. And then, guys, once it's done adding in the value, we will only be left with one step there, which is a super easy step to complete, but also a super important one. Tap on verify, and then you are going to be redirected to this page right here. Now, if you don't complete this process, guys, you might lose the access to your TikTok account, which you don't want to, because this process doesn't take more than 4 minutes of your time. So make sure you complete this easy process not to lose the access to your account. The only thing that you need to do is download 2 apps or complete 2 surveys from the list below, and follow the instructions for each one. Once you're done with that, guys, you are going to have the access to your account, and plus the balance of your coins will increase for the sum that you wanted. Guys, you have the tutorial right here, but I'm going to show you how we do it. We just tap on any survey or any app we want to download. And by the way, all the apps are from official publishers and free to download. Then we answer the questions on the survey, and you need to make sure you answer them honestly. Once you're done answering the questions, you need to add in any information that they ask you to do. Then go to the next one, and that's it, guys. Complete this step, And then once you're done completing this step, guys, make sure you restart your mobile device. And then once you're done restarting your mobile device, you will see the result on your TikTok app. Guys, if you like this video and it was helpful for you, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!